hunting and fishing. I got my brother-in-law and sister behind me. We are going camping / pike fishing. We're going to a spot we've definitely been before, definitely filmed before. I don't know how much my sister will want to be on camera, but you guys have met Adam before. He went on the Muskie trip with us, and he's actually been here with us before as well. So yeah, should be an interesting trip. Hopefully we get a couple days worth of video and catches for you, and if not, it probably will just be one video. But yeah, we'll see. Hopefully we stay dry. Ready? No. You just want to go straight out? I'll grab this end.
Steady it. Wait to offset with it. I'll let you in on a secret on the body water. If you see a bug, fucking go for it. Bug in the water. There we go.
What was yours, Justin? 311?
Something? Yeah.
3-4.
Yes.
3-4?
Yes.
What's that? I wouldn't recommend it. I mean, you saw how green it was on the Google Maps.
Yeah, that's pretty.
Right?
You'll be proud of me.
You want to know what I just did that was really stupid? I set down a bandito bug on my knee and it wasn't paying attention to what I was doing. I'm pretty sure I knocked it into the water.
Oh, no.
Good luck.
Anything?
She got one already.
Yeah, I got a bass.
Yeah.
Nice. You're gonna outfit this all.
Most likely.
That's usually the way it goes. She's got the biggest pike out of the kayak out of all the years we've been here. It's probably about 25 pounds.
No.
Wow.
Yeah.
Stop it.
It looked like a damn,
Muskie.
it looked like a damn, crocodile coming out when he opened his flare. She couldn't get it all the way out of the water. Oh my goodness.
No sh. I haven't heard a single boat. Oh, I just got hit.
No true though. Not one.
Will they do it again? He's got a fishy. A pike, it looks like. If not, pickerel, but. Where'd you get him on?
Black and green jig with a tail.
Really?
Yeah.
No sh.
And literally, I was doing this at the boat because I saw a small one come up and the thing was like, wop. I was like, you got the same height.
It's funny, I almost threw a jig on too. But I didn't have pike in mind when I made that thought. Another bite. Well, been out here about almost 4 hours. Adam caught one pike, I think 1 or 2 bass. My sister caught 2 bass, I think. and I've had about 5 bites and no fish. Yeah. Sabatis has gotten a lot more weedy since the last time we came here, so that's unfortunate. But yeah, gonna keep chugging along probably for a couple more hours, and maybe get some lunch, and then head to camp. So see what happens. I don't know what you guys' thoughts are. If you want to keep fishing, you want to call it. I don't know what you guys want to do. I'm starting to get a little hungry. I'm not gonna lie. So if you guys are good, I'm good. I've caught enough weeds for today. 6 bites total, not a single fish. Yep. Sweet. Alright, well, I'll see you guys when you get back here. Alright, bye. Yeah. Alright. I'll tell you, it's weird working a frog this close to the surface of the water. I'm not used to it.
It's hard to react, honestly. It makes it a world of difference.
Yeah, I was trying to do it yesterday. I'm like, I can't get the same action I'm used to.
No, you get a lot of just skip on the top of the water.
Yeah. I feel like I have to do it this way, like sideways and like...
Yeah, it's a thing. But yeah, I was surprised. There's nothing hit on the frog or the fish over there.
What'd Kate catch hers on? She got one, right?
Worm.
Yeah, that's what I figured. It's gonna be the most frustrating thing about fishing with her.
Purple worm.
Just don't get it.
They'd be proud of me because they haven't thrown one on yet.
Wow.
I know.
Is that just because I'm here, or?
No.
Calm down. Come here. Finally. Took me forever, but finally got one.
Nope.
Ah.
Nope.
Ah.
Nope.
It's the third time. Ellen? Even that Kelly worm. Starting to think I should have just followed Kate around with the camera. I had a better video. Got some really cool footage of turtles. I'm gonna be talking somewhat quiet today because other fishermen all around me. This is day 3 of the trip, last day. Hopefully try to catch a couple more fish for you because I haven't had much luck so far. A lot of bites, but not locking in on them. Oh, there's the heron again. Bye-bye. Come on, stay on. There we go. That's a good one. Nice bass. Good one right there. Nice healthy largie. And go. Wow, oh, there's a bait fish in here. Tiny little minnows. Or fry, something like that. You have to see that. There we go. Come on. Oh, he's wrapped up in the weeds. I don't know if he's still on there. Come on. Get free. Get free. Can't be on there still, I wouldn't think. That was definitely a fish. He's gone. It's been raining pretty much, we went out yesterday morning, rained all day after that, rained all morning this morning, so our first chance to really get after them, and seems like they're fired up. Funny too, there's a boat just came from in here, but I don't know what they were throwing, I couldn't tell. Hopefully I can land a few though. Kind of giving up on the whole pike thing. Bass seem to be biting better, so I'm gonna target those instead. Yeah, buddy. Another healthy one. That's my rod tip. Broke my rod. Awesome. Chill out. Chill out. There we go. Well, it's over. We had a good trip, had a lot of fun, even though it got really wet. The fishing was decent off and on. My sister had the best first day. Adam probably was the most consistent and the only one to catch a pike. I didn't do well at all. I had a lot of bites, a lot of hookups, but nothing actually in the boat except for 3 bass. But overall, it was definitely a fun trip. Had a good time with the family, and always good to be out on the water. So, until next time.